How to turn on or turn off marketplace notifications on Facebook PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Facebook. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go to the top corner, click on settings and privacy, click on settings right here. Now all what you have to do is simple. Click here on notifications. Now all what you have to do is simple, scroll down until you find marketplace, click on it. Now you can enable it or disable it just from here, as you can see. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.